What's up guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So as the title suggests, we're gonna look at the top 10 countries in the world that is cold. Should I say cold? Should I say more coldest? So let's get on it. So on our number 10 list we have Estonia. Estonia is in Europe. So Estonia experienced long and harsh winter with temperature often dropping below -30. You know, the fridge that we are using is -10. This country is -30. You can imagine that place. You cannot survive like this. They have where I cannot survive. So -30, -30 degrees, negative. Hey, what? You know the freezing point is -1. This is -30. You can imagine how many the freeze. So and the plastic will make it even colder, make it one of the most frostiest country in Europe. Yeah, the frostbite, you know, that you can get frostbite. What? That now is dangerous now. It's not fun now, that is dangerous. So on number 9 list we have Finland, which is also in Europe. So next to Finland, where temperature in winter can plummet up to -40. -40 degrees. Here it is -30. Here it is -40. What? That place is death trap, I say. So in the northern region, despite the cold, the country is famous for its cozy saunas and breathtaking northern light. You know, the green lights, those northern lights. I've put it here, those northern light. So on number 8 list, I didn't expect it, but Mongolia. Is Mongolia that cold? So Mongolia has a brutal winter, especially in global desert, in Gobi Desert. Oh, I studied this when I was in school, Gobi Desert. It is in Mongolia. Gobi Desert and central region, where temperature dropped to -45 degrees. -45 degrees, what? The Mongolian people have adapted to this extreme climate for centuries. Yeah, they have coats, those big coats, you know, those Asian looking people with big coats. I know you have seen them. So on our number 7 list, we have Norway, guys. Norway, the beautiful city with the prison. Have you seen the prison in Norway? They are very beautiful. So Norway is known for its beautiful fjords. Fjord, I even don't know what is it. Oh, it's a large deep Norway body water that extend inland from the sea, usually surrounded by a steep cliff mountain and extreme Arctic weather. So in northern, temperature can reach up to as low as 50 degrees Celsius, negative 50 degrees Celsius. What? Especially in Svalbard, on the northernmost inhabited places on Earth. -50. How are we living there? So on a number 6 list, we have Kazakhstan. I didn't know that Kazakhstan is that cold. So Kazakhstan experienced some of the most coldest winter in Central Asia. The capital Astana. The capital of Kazakhstan is Astana. Now called Nov Sultan. Yeah, the Astana is in the old. Now is Nov Sultan. Often seen temperature as low as -51 degrees during winter. That is so many shiver. You are shivering, my friend. So on our number 5 list, we have Canada. Canada, my dream country to go. So many black people love to go to Canada, especially in Nigeria. You know, I even see the trending video of a girl putting hot water in the ice like this, and then it's forming a ring. Tell me in the comment if you have seen that video. So number 5 list we have Canada, which is in North America. North America, I think, it has like 3 countries, right? which is the US, Canada, and Mexico. Is there any other country in there? Tell me in the comment below. So Canada. Canada is one of the coldest country in the world, with places like Yukon. Yeah, Yukon. It's a place, it's like a town in Canada. Nunavut and Northwest Territories. Extremely temperature as low as 55 degrees. Whew. Now that's a chilling event. That's a chilling town. Coldest temperature in Canada was negative 63. Negative 63. What? In a place called Yukon. But I think Yukon is in Russia. No, Yukon is. I think there's a city which is called in Russia. Is like the similar names like Yukon. So on our number 4th list we have United States. The United States is not everywhere. The part is not like the whole country is cold, but some regions, Yeah, so the United States, while most of the US has moderate winters, Alaska is an exception. But Alaska is cold. Some areas reach as low as negative 62 degrees, with the lowest record temperature in Prospect Creek. It is in Prospect Creek at negative 62 degrees. Oh, that's cold, right? So on our number 3rd list, we have Russia, Mother Nature. You know that Russia is the home of the snow, and Russia is the biggest country in the world, if you didn't know. But you still want to acquire Ukraine, Poland, they spot in this. So Russia is famous for its brutal winter, especially in Serbia. The town of Oymyakon is one of the coldest inhabited places in Earth, where temperature can drop to negative 67.7. Number 2 now, Greenland. But I think, there is the fun fact. Why is Greenland called Greenland and it's not green? It's full of ice. And Iceland is called Iceland, but it doesn't have ice. Most of it is green. Like, the Greenland should be called Iceland, and Iceland should be called Greenland. Tell me in the comment below what you think. So Greenland, Danish territory is covered in ice year round. I'm telling you, year round. It's so bad that if you bury that person, the dead person, it will come up. When sometimes the summer comes, the ice melts, it will come up. It's that bad. So there's no grave in Greenland. So Greenland is covered in ice year round. Temperature in some regions can drop as low as negative 70 degrees, making it one of the most extreme places to live. What? I cannot live in Greenland. And this is number 2. No, what is number 1? Okay, now number 1. Drum rolls. Guess. Just guess which is number 1. Guess. It's not a country, but at the same time it's not a country. It's a country, but at the same time it's not a country. So guess. 3, 2, 1. Drum rolls. So is Antarctica. Antarctica, guys. But Antarctica is a country or is a continent. But there's no people there, so I'm really confused. So Antarctica, and at her number 1, on no surprise, Antarctica, the frozen continent, aka the frozen continent, hold the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded at, hear me, at negative 89.2 degrees. 89.2. Oh, you cannot, even if you wear how many coats, you cannot survive there. 89.2 at Vostok station. The extreme cold makes it nearly impossible for humans to live there permanently. Yeah, you cannot live there permanently. Like over almost 90 degrees, negative 90. How are you going to survive? Even the clothes. Yeah, you must wear so many clothes. And there, guys, we have reached at the end of our episode. So let's catch up on the next episode. Peace out.